Is this a secret to better sleep and less pain? Sleep and pain are deeply interconnected. Poor sleep can increase pain sensitivity, while chronic pain can make falling or staying asleep more difficult. Millions of people are stuck in this frustrating cycle. But what if there is a simple secret that could help with both? It turns out the secret might not be a pill or expensive gadget. Instead, it's something far more accessible: intentional relaxation and body awareness, often practiced through techniques like mindful movement, breathwork, or gentle somatic exercises. The role of the nervous system. Your nervous system plays a central role in both sleep quality and pain perception. When the body is under constant stress or tension, the nervous system stays in fight or flight mode. This heightened state interferes with restorative sleep and keeps pain signals active in the brain and body. Practices like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or slow, conscious movement help shift the body into a parasympathetic state, commonly known as rest and digest. In this mode, your heart rate lowers, your muscles release tension, and your body begins to heal. How gentle movement helps. It might sound counterintuitive, but moving less intentionally can lead to big changes. Instead of forcing the body into intense workouts or stretching routines, somatic approaches focus on small, subtle movements. These movements increase body awareness and help retrain the nervous system to release habitual patterns of tightness or guarding. For example, laying on the floor and slowly rolling your head side to side while focusing on how it feels, or gently tilting the pelvis in a pain-free range, can reconnect the brain to the body. Over time, this builds trust in movement, again without triggering fear or further pain. Better sleep through body awareness. The same techniques that reduce pain can also improve sleep. Many people carry tension into bed, clenching their jaw, tightening their shoulders, or gripping their lower back without even realizing it. By spending just 10 to 15 minutes before bed doing a body scan or gentle floor-based movement, the body is signaled that it's safe to rest. Research supports this approach. Studies have shown that mindfulness practices, including somatic and breathing exercises, can reduce insomnia symptoms, improve sleep duration, and decrease reliance on sleep medications. They also lower cortisol levels, which helps ease inflammation and sensitivity to pain. The takeaway: so, is this the secret to better sleep and less pain? It just might be. While it's not a cure-all, taking time to calm the nervous system through mindful, intentional stillness or gentle movement can make a powerful difference. It's free, accessible, and something you can start right now, whether lying in bed, sitting in a chair, or rolling on the floor. No fancy equipment needed. Just your breath, your body, and a little bit of time.